In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font color in WPS Office Mobile. Changing the color of your text is an easy way to make your documents more engaging and visually appealing. Whether you want to highlight important words, emphasize a phrase, or simply organize your content, WPS Office Mobile provides a simple and intuitive way to adjust font colors. To start, highlight the text that you want to change. This can be a single word, a complete phrase, or an entire sentence depending on your preference. Once your text is selected, tap the icon located at the bottom left of your screen. This will open a menu with several text formatting options, including the text color option. You will see a palette of suggested colors that can be applied instantly. Simply tap on the color you want, and the selected text will update immediately. This allows you to customize your document quickly without affecting the rest of the text. Using suggested colors is a convenient way to apply common colors consistently across your document. If you want more variety or specific shades, tap the three dots located to the right of the suggested colors. This will open a larger color palette, giving you access to additional colors and options. You can experiment with different shades to make your text stand out, create emphasis, or match a particular theme in your document. In case you want to revert your text back to the default black color, the process is equally simple. Highlight the text that you want to change back, tap the icon at the bottom left again, and select Automatic. This will reset the selected text to black, ensuring that your document remains clean and professional. Changing font colors in WPS Office Mobile is a quick and efficient way to make your documents visually appealing, whether you are working on reports, notes, or presentations. It allows you to emphasize key points, organize your content effectively, and make your text more readable on a mobile device. By using both suggested colors and the extended palette, you can maintain consistency while also adding creative touches to your work. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.